Today we are going to make a very easy recipe that your kids would love most. To make these peanut butter cheesecake bites, we need these ingredients. First what we need to do is beat cream cheese, peanut butter and icing sugar together until it becomes smooth. After that, we can pour this into a square size plastic container and level the surface. Then mark the lines to cut squares later and poke popsicle sticks into the middle of each square. We need to keep this in the freezer around 2 hours until it sets completely. When this sets, we can get it out of the freezer and cut into cubes through the lines we marked earlier. Finally, dip these cubes in melted chocolate and decorate with colorful sprinkles. This amazing recipe would be a perfect one for your kids' birthday party. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon with another delicious recipe.